Hello.
You would be surprised if I told you that you can earn up to $500 with the help of a simple app and by following a few straightforward steps. People from all over the world are earning hundreds of dollars and cashing them out every day using this method. You don't need any prior experience or professional skills to complete this method. And it's completely free, which means you won't have to pay anything in order to earn money from this method.
Hell yeah.
You only need a smartphone and an internet connection to get started. This is a very quick and easy process that will take only a few minutes of your time. And it doesn't matter where you're from. It is accessible to anyone from anywhere in the world, which is the best thing about it. We'll be dropping some bonus tips at the end of the video to help you to double or even triple your money. And more importantly, if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you stick around. We will walk you through the step-by-step process for today's method so that you don't get lost or confused, because we want you to be as successful as we are with this method. Now, the entire process is very easy and free-flowing, but there are some parts that are specific, which is why you need to pay attention and make sure that you watch the entire video from beginning to end, so that you don't get confused about today's method. And make certain that you don't skip any steps so that you don't overlook any important details, because if you overlook critical details, you're unlikely to achieve the desired results. Before we get started with today's video, if this is your first visit to this channel, welcome! We upload videos on how to make money online on this channel so that you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button to be a part of our money-making journey, and hit the notification bell next to it to be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Now let's get back to the video. The first step that you need to do is to download the Fob App, which is essentially an app that contains a vast collection of millions of different high-resolution photos. There are essentially two groups of people on the Fob App. First of all, there are those who want to buy different photographs. Hundreds of thousands of people visit the Fob App every day in search of new photos to download. And there comes the second group, the sellers, who are essentially selling images directly through the app. That is exactly how this app can benefit you. The best part about this method is that you won't have to do any of the photography yourself. Additionally, no photo editing or graphic design skills are required, nor do you ever have to go on a camera, and you won't even be required to have any technical experience. Continue watching and I'll show you some exclusive websites where you can find a ton of automated photographs that you can simply re-upload and post on the Fob App. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video. Let's return to the video now. By the time you finish watching this video, you can be well on your way to earning your first few dollars. Go to fob.com and click the Submit Your Brand Brief button. Then the Sell Your Content button in the upper right column of the For Creator button. It will then take you to this page where you can learn how to profit from your videos and photos. You can download the app on your iOS or Android device. If you have an Android phone, simply search for the Fob App in the Google Play Store. Just make sure you get the correct app with this logo. If you have an iPhone, you can simply go to the App Store and download the free Fob App. Without further ado, I'd like to show you the entire library that the Fob website has to offer. As you can see, this website has a lot of high-resolution and high-quality images for sale. They're also making a lot of money without doing anything. What's even more amazing and cool about this app is that you can still receive commission and money from this website if you upload the photos on this platform in the coming days or years. Because the photos you upload and post will be at the Fob database for years to come, and every month millions of visitors come to the site to look for new photos to buy. Also, keep in mind that you're not required to create or take any photographs. Assume this is one of the photographs available for purchase on the website. Typically, each photo has a price tag of $20. And here's another example of a photo with the same $20 price tag. And given that the photographs are not as inexpensive as you believe, you may be wondering how much money you can make right now from this website. You can actually post your videos and photographs and earn money that way. Isn't that reasonable?
No doubt.
The money you earn will be divided 50-50 between you and the Fob. They're taking the 50% of your profit because they're going to sell the image for you automatically. Plus, since Fob is a well-known platform, it's pretty cool. They work with a number of well-known companies and receive millions of visitors. As a result, they'll automatically help you market and sell the various images you post on this website. As a result, you won't have to do any of the grunt work. All you have to do is copy and paste your photographs onto this platform to start earning money passively. Also, there's something really cool on this website that I'd like to show you. You can now do more with your images than just sell them. You can also participate in multiple tasks or missions at the same time. This mission, for example, has a cash reward of over $50, and each mission has a various cash reward. Every week, there are a variety of missions to choose from, and you can easily upload different images based on the team assigned to you. You have a chance to win and even earn real money if you submit different photos based on the various missions provided. You can now go to Shutterstock.com, which is also a marketplace for tons of high-resolution photos. People come here every day to buy different pictures because they have such a large library of high-quality, high-resolution images. You could be the one to sign up and upload some photos to Shutterstock, and who knows, you could make hundreds of dollars as a result. Upload on the Fob App as well, because the more websites you join, the more money you'll make. Because some people will go to the Fob App to buy your images, while others will go to Shutterstock to buy them. We can essentially copy and paste different photographs and generate various types of passive revenue using this exact method. To get started right away, simply click this button again, which will take you to this page where you can register for a free account. To sign up for a free account, simply enter your email address and a password of your choice. Pexels.com, Pixabay.com, Unsplash.com are some of the websites where you can get high-resolution photographs for free. You can find a variety of high-quality and high-resolution photos on this website. There are numerous categories from which to choose. As you can see, they're extremely high quality, and the best part is that they don't require any investment, which means that you don't have to pay any money to get these. These are all images that we can download with a single click of a button or our phone or computer. There are a plethora of images to choose from right here. This website has both high and low resolution photos, but I strongly advise you to download the high resolution in order to get paid on various websites. Another website is PicWizard.com, which can help you earn even more money. You can also get a variety of high quality and free stock photos on this website, which has over 1 million different high quality photos available for download. This method is more efficient and saves time. For example, you can click on this image right now, and it will take you to this page where you can click on any of the download buttons to download this to your phone or computer. After that, you must upload this image to both Fob and Shutterstock. This way, you can get various royalty commissions and passive revenue on a daily basis by using Fob.com. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get updates whenever we upload a new video. Also, if you want to watch more new ways to make money online like a boss, make sure you check out our other videos too.